Hi everybody, this is Brian Batchelor of the Evan Guru team. Hope you guys are keeping well. Down with one of our converters in Coventry today, looking at one of our little projects. This is the Maxus high roof van, based on the very popular Maxus E3 full electric 52.5 kilowatt panel van. As you can see, we have adapted a high roof conversion for this van, increasing its cubic capacity in the back to 6 meters. Which is an uplift of nearly 2.5 meters compared to the standard van, still keeping a payload in excess of 870 kilograms, and with very limited effect on the vehicle range on a charge. In fact, with the trials we've done against the standard Maxus, we're finding that this van is only losing 2 miles over 100-mile range, even with the increased height on the roof. So what you can see here is the production line of the conversion. So as you see, there's a retainer bar fitted in the back to keep the strength and rigidity of the body where we remove the roof. This is quite a state-of-the-art process now. All the tooling's in place to do this in mass production on the line here. We've got several going through so far. Become very popular with a lot of the Maxus franchise dealers. All these orders have come through those guys, which we really appreciate their support. I'm just carrying on walking around a bit. So this near side door retains in place, and what we've tried to do with this conversion is keep it OEM visible, i.e. looks like a proper offline manufacturer's vehicle. So if we move around now to the next stage of the vehicle on production, so walking around now, this is where the roof has now been installed. One of the guys there working on the inside of the vehicle. So this one has had the roof fitted, sealed, and I'm just going to walk into the roof and just to show you how the strengthening bars have now been encased actually in the fiberglass paneling, just for a nice neat finish, keeping the solid bulkhead in place. And the USP with this really is the full height doors that are included with the conversion. So it is now a walk-in vehicle where most adults can actually stand up inside. Obviously if you're 6'6", you are going to have to tilt your head slightly. It looks nice and tidy, it's seamless on its join, its colour match is really good to the standard OEM white finish. Obviously we can do variable colours depending on the base colour of the vehicle. So walking around, as you see, it looks nice and stylish. It is unique in the market. Our belief is there's going to be nothing else of this cubic capacity with the retained short wheelbase like this, at least for another 2 years. We've chosen only to offer this on the 52.5 kilowatt to make sure we've got WLTP combined range of in excess of 150 miles. And yeah, it looks really nice. Payload, as I said earlier, has been retained at 860, 870 kgs, and it is becoming a really popular product. Just going to walk around now. I'm going to walk you around so you can see we've had all the jigs made. So the high volume production now is kicked off. You see Andy over there actually just fitting one of the new press skins on the door. This is the actual roof assembly. So the roof comes ready molded, ready to go. And as I say, we've now got the production line up and running. Our expectation is to produce a minimum of 5 of these a week. That can be increased accordingly on demand, on supply. So moving around, this is the vehicle that was at the CV show back in September, the original conversion. This was very much a hand-built prototype, but it gives you an idea of the finished fit out. I mean, these guys here really do our high quality conversion. This one's been lined out, as you'd appreciate. It's been used for shows, but we do give options for dry lining and spray on lining, as well as white-proof antibacterial lining, as well as many other accessory options. So, as I say, great van, nice low height, easy to walk in, step in. I'm 5'10", not quite standing fully up, but not far off. Certainly not uncomfortable to walk in. You've also got that area above the cab. We're considering now that we put a net retainer in, we could put a solid panel in there with a security door if there was certain goods that needed secure transport. So hopefully that makes it interesting. Thought I'd give you a bit of an insight into the production of these. As I say, readily available now. We filled the order book for 2021. We're taking orders now for February onwards. Colour options are coming through. One good thing about the Maxus E3, plenty available in the market. You know, we can turn these around pretty quickly on the ride. Happy to do a complete vehicle or just a free issue conversion, whatever works for you guys. If you want to know more, either go to your local Maxus franchise dealer who we're working closely with, or get in touch with the Van Guru team on info@e-van-guru.co.uk. Cheers now, bye bye.